Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add stories from your highlights on Instagram. This feature allows you to keep your favorite moments alive beyond the usual 24-hour limit. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all your features. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile, where you can see all your posts and highlights. Once you're on your profile, look under your bio for the highlight you want to edit. Highlights are those circular icons that showcase your best stories, so choose the one that fits what you're looking to update. Now it's time to click and hold on the highlight you've selected. This action will bring up a menu with several options related to that highlight. From the menu, choose Edit Highlight. This option allows you to make changes to the stories you've previously added. After selecting this, click on Stories to view all the stories that are currently saved in your archive. Here comes the fun part. Select the stories you want to add to this highlight. You can pick multiple stories if you'd like, so feel free to curate a collection that best represents the moments you want to showcase. Once you've made your selections, simply click Done. This will save your changes and update your highlight with the new stories you've chosen. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added stories from your highlights on Instagram. This feature not only helps in keeping your content alive, but also allows you to engage with your followers by showcasing memorable moments from your journey. Remember, highlights are a fantastic way to keep your Instagram profile dynamic and interesting. So go ahead and make those memories shine. Thank you for watching, and happy Instagramming.